Hello, Ken Himmler here. Listen, I wanted to cover a topic that seems to be getting a lot of media and news coverage, and that no one is really talking about the truth of the situation. And that matter is delaying Social Security to get a higher payout. Now, if you Google this, you're going to get about 99% of financial advisors, accountants, and even financial people just talking about how it benefits you to wait as long as you can to claim Social Security. I want to cover a couple small points that can dispute this as blanket advice for all to take. Number one, Social Security right now is set to be out of money in 2035. And in order to keep it on track, the government is going to have to reduce benefits or selectively choose those who get it. Now, this has already been done in a smaller way by extending the ages to qualify, taxing benefits if you still work, and putting income limits before you pay tax on your Social Security. Number two, if you delay your benefits and you die, your family loses out on what could have been paid in cash. And number three, if you die before you break even, that famous break even period, then your family once again loses out. And the government wins because they keep the pot of money that you paid in taxes to get the benefit. In short, think of the old saying that a bird in the hand is better than two in the bush. Now, this means that we find that about 2 out of 3, about 3 out of 4 times actually, that's about 75% of the time that we do the actual calculations, it's better for someone to claim as early as they can. Now, let's use an example of this. Now, at age 64, let's say that you can get $1,800 a month versus $2,700 a month at age 70. And that's $900 more a month by waiting. Unfortunately, this is $900 a month, and that's all that people see, and they don't even consider all the other alternatives. Now let's do some math. By claiming $1,800 a month at age 64, that's 6 years of getting $21,600 a year more, or a total of $129,600. And I'm not even counting the inflationary increase you would still be entitled to. Now, if you died the day before your 70th birthday, that would give your family more than $129,000 in a death benefit that they could use. Now, if you delay Social Security, they only give you a $255 death benefit payment. The second and biggest benefit is the reinvestment of those funds. Did you know that you could buy a rental house or even a vacation house or a condominium between $300,000 and $600,000 using your early claimed Social Security? The tax benefits and potential cash flow could make that extra $900 a month in 6 years look like chump change. Next is taxation. Well, the government has rigged the system so that Social Security gets taxed when you take 50% of your benefits and you add it to all the other sources, and if it exceeds a mere $25,000 for a single person. Wow. Now, that's a Robin Hood tax. Do better and lose more of your benefits. Now, what happens if you delay your benefit? Now they're going to take 50% of the higher benefit to compute the taxation of your Social Security. This makes it even harder to avoid the tax. In summary, never ever make a decision about your Social Security before having a deep calculation done with sophisticated software that looks at all these options. And please avoid the annuity salespeople and the free online Social Security calculators, as I've never found that a single one of those looks at all of the angles. This is Ken Himmler, and this was a Wiser Money Tip.